like Democrats and liberals around the world celebrate. Now she wants nothing to do with them because they're not serious. She's also promoting the fact it's not just about climate change and capitalism. It has to, and we need socialist societies. So it's exactly what we have said. The ultimate from these ideologues of climate change is for the government to control the capital. It's about socialism.
Well, this is it, and she calls it greenwashing. That she doesn't want anything to do with these any of the centralized moves here. None of the governments are, in her opinion, worthy of attaching herself to. And I think to myself, wow, is she going to turn out to be a libertarian? What's the backing up? You can't win over, and remember how they would parade her in front of the camera, and they used her, and then they would have her on interview as if she was an expert.
I know.
And you can't even win her over. She's like, you guys are fake. All you guys are fake. You're not actually doing anything. You're not going to solve the problem. Now, I think, and again, this is something that is a learned behavior. The adults in her life that are the ones that are responsible for her mindset as a child. And now she's, as she goes out into the world as a young adult, that's on her. And if she's going to be a part of the in the arena of public opinion, then that's the way it's going to be. The fact of the matter is that she doesn't want anything to do with the activists because she doesn't see them as true activists when it comes to the environment. And we've been saying this about, it doesn't matter. EVs, well, you can say that by 2035 you can only buy an EV when it comes to new vehicles in California. By 2035, the activists are going to have you shut down on EVs. Because net zero is not zero. That's their new chant. And you're not going to get past that. They don't want you mining for the battery material or anything else. So you're not going to win. It doesn't matter how far you go, the state government or the federal government. It doesn't matter. They're not going to be on.
Remember how excited the Democrats got when they had a child that was they're arguing for them on climate change? I wonder, the Democrats keep talking about the fact, we've seen now, they'd like to lower the voting age to 16. Is that the goal of Democrats? Is the goal of Democrats to get children to be able to run for office so children can debate adults on the Republican side, and if the Republicans say, look, you're wrong, the children will go, and they'll get sympathy, and therefore America will vote for the children?
Oh, yeah.
Because that was one thing with Greta out there. It's like, she's a child. She has no idea. She has no clue what's going on now. It's really no different from the Democrats, who clearly don't understand science or economics, especially in this administration and where the Democratic Party is right now. But is that to go, look, their mentality is the same as us. They're pure emotion, no logic. So let's run children. And if you yell at them in the debate, they will cry and get the sympathy of the American public, and then children can run the country. Well, and she's as much of an expert as we are on the left. So why not ask her opinion on everything when it comes to climate change? This is the insanity, though. It didn't resonate with anybody except the left. No, they just anointed her as royalty. Yeah. And they also, it's like, she's completely and totally clueless. And stuff. And all of that was learned behavior. And now, she doesn't want anything. I frankly think that she doesn't want anything to do with it because she doesn't want to be in the arena of public opinion. I think she understands it's time to debate. And you can get away on the left. You can get away with saying something but not having to debate anything
And that's exactly where she wants to
That's
be.
what she wants to be, okay?
Yep.
If she gets in the arena of public ideas, she has to defend herself.
Absolutely.
And she doesn't wish to
And
do that.
she doesn't want to do that.
Well, that's the whole thing. That's why they're for censor. Well, we don't want free speech because we don't want to have the other side. The other side is hateful.
Right.
Any opinion they have is hateful.
Dissent is hate.
Right. If they believe, dissent is hate. If you believe in fossil fuels, everything is racist or hate. So it automatically gives them justification where we don't have to actually debate our points or be cross-examined on our points because the other side is hateful.
Right.
Well,
I don't debate hateful people. Okay. You just don't debate.
Okay.
866-90 Red Eye.
Coming up, more with Gary McNamara and Eric Harley. It's Red Eye Radio.
Check out all the latest in news, events, trucking information, and podcasts at Red Eye Radio's website at rediradioshow.com. That's rediradioshow.com.
Every day, pro drivers keep our country moving forward. And this month at Pilot Flying J, we're celebrating with 3 free drinks every week and up to 5 points per gallon when you activate Push for Points in the My Rewards Plus app. It's our way of saying thanks to the unsung heroes of the American road. After all, pro drivers go further for America, and at Pilot Flying J, we're going further for them. See terms and conditions at pilotflyingj.com. Red Eye Radio and our sponsors are devoted to trucking safety. That's why we are proud to bring you the Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club. We've been saluting drivers who have surpassed the million-mile mark with preventable, accident-free driving. By reaching this milestone, you can be a part of an elite club of drivers who share remarkable safety records and demonstrate superior driving skills. If you or someone you know is a truck driver with 1 million miles or more of driving under your belt without a preventable accident, register online at rediradioshow.com. That's rediradioshow.com. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club would not be possible without the generous support of the fine folks from Petro Stopping Centers, House Lubricator, Motel 6, the St. Christopher Fund, and Cat Scale. We applaud the individual truckers and fleets who drive with care and keep our highways safe. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club, devoted to trucking safety. Register online at rediradioshow.com.
The St. Christopher Truckers Relief Fund invites all over the road Class A CDL holders to join our smoking cessation program, Rigs Without Cigs. Participants receive tools to assist in quitting, along with support and accountability from the program manager and others in the program. Incentive packages are offered by the Road Pro family of brands for all who stop using tobacco through the Rigs Without Cigs program. Go to truckersfund.org under the Health and Wellness tab and sign up for Rigs Without Cigs.
Wellendorf jewelry is magical.
When you touch it, your life will change.
You will ask yourself,
How did they make this gold rope feel as soft and supple as silk?
hundreds of microscopically thin strands of gold
Gold as thin as gossamer.
are woven together by hand, just like the finest silk.
And when you see the extraordinary craftsmanship of their rings and bracelets,
You will know that you have seen the pinnacle of the jeweler's art.
Wellendorf jewelry is crafted with the same precision and attention to detail as the finest Swiss timepieces.
Come and see the magic and mystery of Hans-Peter Wellendorf.
Wellendorf jewelry is available to only a small number of jewelers worldwide.
But Shreve has it, of course.
Shreve and Company, luxury timepieces,
Fine designers
flawless diamonds,
and magical Wellendorf jewelry.
Shreve and Company at 150 Post off Union Square.
In Palo Alto, Shreve is perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
Do you suffer from any type of chronic neck or back pain? Whether it's a bulging or herniated disc, sciatica, spinal stenosis, or even bone-on-bone arthritis. You've probably tried most doctors and get little relief, or are told dangerous medications and surgeries are your only option. Dr. John Filippini, the Danville Disc Doctor, has more options for your treatment than ever before. With state-of-the-art equipment and an integrative medical office, you can have 80 to 100% relief within a few treatments to a couple of months. Dr. Filippini has helped thousands thousands of patients, but he's never seen such great results as he has in the last couple of years. This is due to individualized treatment programs that fit each patient's needs and budget. Depending on the treatment, insurance may cover some or even all of your program. Call Dr. Filippini at 925-999-4067 to get in on his $39 exam special, or visit Danville